ito ha. Isasabihin ko na sa inyo kung ano yung dahilan. Okay? Kung bakit daw tinanggal si Barsaga. Alam nyo, isa sa mga dahilan daw, aside sa binabatikos niya si Romualdez, binastos niya yung anak binastos daw niya yung anak ni Marcos na si Sandro, 'di ba, yung biglang in-interview. Actually, ang balita ha, doon sa loob, isa 'yon sa talaga nag-trigger. Yung mayabang daw kasi talaga yung Sandro na 'yun. So isa daw sa mga doon, parang nabastusan na parang tangina ka. Parang ganun lang ha. Hindi ko sinasabing totoong nangyari yan. Yan ang kwento sa akin. O parang ganun ha. Sige, patatanggal kita ditong animal ka. Ganun. So, isa yun. Tapos, dahil si Barsaga pala, medyo maraming sa kanya. Marami ng, anong tawag doon, yung, hindi lang umiimik, pero agree sa kanya. At ang plano ni Barsaga daw ay ipa-impeach si Marcos. At merong bulong-bulungan doon na si Barsaga yung kumakausap sa mga tao. Hindi ko sinasabing totoo na kinakausap niya yung mga congressman pero yun daw yung bulong-bulungan na parang natatakot sila. Alam mo naman, pagka lulong, praning, di ba? Oh, again pag sinabi nating lulong sa kapangyarihan lulong at praning daw, natatakot sila na baka may push yung impeachment. So yun daw ang dahilan kung bakit tanggalin na yan. Aside from, baka sabihin ng iba, bakit? Pwede naman yung iba magpa-impeach pwede naman yung iba mag-endorse ng impeachment. Oo. Pero yung leadership factor at yung mga kausap doon, ang may malakas na loob daw kwento ito, na kumausap dun sa mga congressman, walang iba kung hindi si Kiko Barsaga. Yung iba kasi, kaya nga nilang mag-endorse ng impeachment ni Marcos, pero yung kakausapin yung mga congressman, kasi kailangan niya, number games yan yung iba hindi ganun kalakas ang loob. Kasi pag ikaw, nakakausap ka ng sip-sip o tumatanggap sa gobyerno, medyo delicates ka. Si Kiko daw, kung tapang at saka lakas lang ng loob, talagang todo. Wala akong pakialam. O kausapin kita, pa-impeach natin yan. Ganon. Para daw mawala yung tinik, pinasuspend na. Kasi pag suspended ka, hindi ka pwedeng umattend, di ba? Tapos, ang susunod pa daw dyan, patanggal na talaga si Kiko Barsaga. Inuunti-unti lang nila. Yun ang dahilan daw. Eto, panoorin nyo ito Tapos napanood ko ito. Nung narinig ko yan, bigla ako napanood ito. Sabi ko, abay, tama pala. Tama pala yung kinikwento sa akin nung contact ko dyan sa Congress.
There's plenty of lewd content. Pero ibang congressman nga na huling may kabit pero hindi sila na ethics complaint It's about the timing of the complaint and why they would choose to do that, since if they were to create precedents where such things were to be regulated and wherein the ethics committee is capable of suspending, reprimanding, or even expelling politicians once they have a supermajority in Congress, then these types of things can be weaponized by future administrations, and that's the worst part about the ethics complaint. Because personally speaking, the suspension does not truly negatively affect me. It mostly negatively affects the institution as a whole because people are losing trust in Congress, and this will decrease the trust in Congress even more.
You mean people might think they're being so defensive?
Well, they are being so defensive because I'm the one who is planning to file an impeachment case on Marcos, and coincidentally, I'm also the one who happens to be suspended.
We just had you last week. You didn't say that yet. When did this idea?
No, I revealed it already. I posted it twice on social media.
Okay.
Once in October and once in November. So we're still gathering evidence, not just regarding Marcos's involvement in the flood control, but also his, also Senator Amy Marcos's revelation that he is a drug addict, which is...
So, nakita ninyo mga kababayan? So, noon pa pala pinaplano na nila. Pinaplano na niya. Hindi ko nga alam kung sino yung kasama niya nagpaplano. Alam naman magplano siya mag-isa, di ba? Pinaplano niya, siguro may mga kausap na rin siya kung paano diskarte ang gagawin para sa impeachment. Siguro, kaya nga parang parang na-confirm yung kwento sa akin ng isang congressman diyan na sabi is, yun nga, para tuloy na-confirm na talagang gusto siyang kaya siya sinuspendo, gusto siyang alisin na totally is dahil kasi parang siya yung utak nung nung impeachment na gagawin kay Marcos eh. Parang ganun ang dating. Siguro, ikaw pala, sige. Tanggalin ka na namin. Ito, budget. Budget para bumoto kayo na tanggalin na yan. Naku po, grabe. Lupit talaga ng gobyernong to.
Detrimental to our country as a whole if we have a drug addict as
So
president.
this impeachment complaint you plan to file, when do you plan to file it? And can you file? You can file it naman kahit na suspended ka,
Well, I'm not too sure about that because I didn't read the rules regarding
Hindi pwede. Kaya nga siya suspended. Hindi nga siya pwedeng pumunta dun eh. Pwede mag-file. Kasi hindi naman, kahit sino naman pwede mag-file ng impeachment. Ang importante, may mag-endorse na congressman. Pero ang pinakapunto doon, kahit hindi siya yung tao na yon, kailangan may kumausap. Number games nga yan eh. May kumausap, may lumakad. Ang dating nga, etong si Barsaga, ang magaling makipag-usap sa tao, merong leadership na siguro nakikita nila o whatsoever. Hindi ewan ko kung leadership o merong following, ika nga, na sa tao. Alam mo naman ang mga congressman depende rin yan sa following ng tao eh. So, yun ang maaaring dahilan kung bakit talagang tinarget ito.
independent politicians.
Okay. But when are you planning to file it? Who is drafting it for you? You have lawyers?
Yes, we have legal teams and we'll see when the time comes.
Yun ang importante
February
dyan.
7 yung, the one-year ban on the impeachment of Sara Duterte will
Yes.
expire. Are you hoping to do that, your filing, before February 7 or are you open to having it after February? Kasi things would change, of course, after
Yes,
February 7.
Things would definitely change and more evidence would release, more people will release statements against Marcos by that time. So yes, once more evidence has been released against Marcos and once public opinion against Marcos has gradually worsened, then that's when we can start filing.
Are you confident you're going to gather enough signatures for that?
Well, even if I don't gather enough signatures, that will already prove that Congress itself, a majority of Congress, is no longer serving the people, but rather serving the interests of the Marcos administration. And we've already seen that happen in this instance. This is showing the people what exactly is happening within Congress.
But tell us about the charges that you plan to file. Exactly what will be your basis for impeachment?
For impeachment, for the revelation of the drug cases and the involvements of flood control anomalies, and an extra charge that's not revealed yet.
But the Constitution is very particular about what kinds of charges can be filed for impeachment.
Yes.
For example, betrayal of public trust and so on down the line. So exactly how do you plan to go about this and what kind of charges do you plan to file?
Well, it will be betrayal of public trust because that's very open to interpretation. That could be for anything.
For corruption
Yeah.
and so on down the line.
Or even lying about the state of his drug rehabilitation or his involvement in drugs. That can also be constituted as a betrayal of public trust. So depending on what possible grounds you may find, we will still consult with our legal teams. But his involvement in the flood control anomalies, in him being the mastermind in all of this, and also in his drug-related revelations made by Senator Amy Marcos would be the most stable grounds that we would have.
That's your most solid, you think?
Well, there might be more. We might
So, but
find
for now, 3 grounds.
We might find his footprints in the DPWH building fire. So that's also another possibility.
Grabe, no? So, ayan po yung
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. sa bayan, tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot. Para sa bayan, tuloy ang sigaw. Kung nasa tama ka, ikaw ay aming kasama. Pero pag mali ka, handa ka na bang mabasag? Banateros kami, walang inuunan. Dahil bayan muna, bago ang sarili. Bago ang sarili. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Banateros ang sigaw, katotohanan ang laban. Sa harap